How excited I have received my package. I can't wait to see the jewelry I have ordered from Vanessa Lotus Jewelry Stone online. A jewelry care card. There they are, the pearl necklaces. And a pearl bracelet. What a beautiful gift box. Each piece of jewelry has a plastic sealed bag to prevent scratching and tarnishing. It looks gorgeous. These natural pearls formed a one-of-a-kind of jewelry. That's why I love them so much. Some silver polishing cloth comes with the package for free. It is handy to clean my jewelry after wearing them. This Swarovski pearl necklace is so elegant. The bracelet looks stunning and feels good on me. I definitely love them.